Will you let me show you how to get the most natural looking eyelashes in the world? Okay, step one is to curl your lashes all the way up until they're pointing straight out. I didn't make the mascara rule, God did. And she sent me blue mascara. But you can use any mascara. The main tip that I'm sharing with you, because it's free, right? A tip is free, you use your own tools. But the tip is you only put mascara on the tips of your lashes. If you watch any videos that I've posted, every mascara I use brings down my lashes until they fall straight, they go straight down. But I've noticed if you just put the mascara on the tips of your lashes, it creates lash extensions, literally, because it's fibers and formula extending your eyelashes. So just put mascara on the tips of your eyelashes after you curl them, and it's so natural. Okay, could you tell? Look to the side. Could you tell the natural lash extension look? Just get mascara on the tips of your lashes and you will change the world. Bye.